Today we received a Porsche lithium battery. Now we need to repair it. Let's just open the terminal covers above the battery first. Now remove the screws which were hidden by the covers. There is a metal cover here. We remove this first. Then here we start to remove the entire cover. Okay, let's do it. Now we open the cover. Let's remove this plug. Then you see this PCB here, this is the BMS. What happens is that the BMS lost data here in the CPU, so we just have to fix the data. So let's take out this board. There are two screws in here to remove. Writing the data in this BMS requires a dedicated device we offer, which works on Porsche lithium batteries and others. Connect the tool and the 12 volt power supply, then connect it to our computer. Next, write the file. This is the software that we need to use. These two are the files we need to write. Now we turn on the software. Click on Connect. Select the protocol for MPC 5644B. We have two protocols here. That means we need to write twice. Choose this LC flash first. Connection was successful. Now we choose EM, Erase Module option. Then we choose SS, Specify Reject File option. Now double click on the file we prepared before. Then choose the PM, Program Module option. Start writing now. It takes a few minutes to write. Okay, now the file is written. Now we select the CM, choose module, then choose another protocol this time, MPC 5644B, D-Flash. Same steps as in the previous one, but with a different file. So again, we first EM erase module, then SS specify reject file, then select the correct file, choose the small one this time, then choose PM program module. Okay, writing done. Now we just need to put the board back on the battery. But before installing the board, this side is the positive and the other side is the negative pole. The battery voltage must first be charged to about over 13 volts. Better is 13.5. Only then we can install the board, otherwise we will lock the board once again. Because of the low battery voltage, the BMS will lock itself immediately. Now the battery has already been charged, so we can reinstall the board. We first take care of the screws. Then we plug the connector in. Now use the multimeter to check if there is any voltage output. One side on the negative pole, one side on the positive pole, and we have a voltage output of 13.3 volt. So the battery has been fixed successfully. Then we just need to put the cover back. We put a layer of sealant on the lid to prevent water infiltration. Put in the little connector first, then put the lid on. Now put this back. Work is done.